Hello, everyone. Welcome to English 1013. We're going to enjoy this summer. This is a 10-week course, completely online. You will have quite a few voiceover prezzies or PowerPoints just like this. And I will upload it into YouTube or share it in some other format. But you will receive these quite often throughout the semester, so I highly suggest that you look through these and listen to them whenever I share them with you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this Prezi. Whenever you go into, and I will walk you through the steps here in just a little bit, but I do want you to introduce yourselves on discussion board and Canvas. I will walk you through everything on Canvas here in just a moment. I've already introduced myself, so go ahead and just reply underneath mine. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go over the syllabus and schedule. I'll briefly go over the assignments, and I will discuss very briefly at this moment the Latch event scheduled for the end of this semester. It is of course, this is an online course, and this event is online. I'm going to go ahead and go to my dashboard right now. This is at TWU. You're going to have a dashboard that looks similar to this. These are classes that I have taught. You're going to probably have some classes here that you've already taken. If you are new to TWU, new to the Canvas format, you just simply go to Texas Women's University, twu.edu, and click on Current Students, and then you will click on the Canvas tab. You will enter in your username, password, and you will be taken right to here. Our course is English 1013, Section 50, Composition 1. Okay. The Home tab will take you right to the modules. The modules is what we do every week. I do not have week 2 up yet, but I will. I will be populating this as we go on throughout the semester. But right now we have week 1. So what you want to do is go to the modules every week. And here I will have listed everything that you need to do. You throughout the semester, I will keep you updated on everything. The Prezi, I don't have it up yet, but once I get done recording myself, I will have this up. So that'll look a little different whenever you look at it. But you will review the Prezi. Of course, this is my introduction to the class, and I've already mentioned we will have quite a few voiceover prezzies that are uploaded into YouTube or in another format. You need to listen to these because it'll have valuable information over the content and assignments in these prezzies. Then you will go to the discussion board. Just simply click on that. Click on the discussion board number 1. Here is where I have introduced myself. And you just simply go ahead and click on reply underneath the discussion board. So for this discussion board, I would like for you to introduce yourself, include your hobbies, major, or anything else that you would like to share. Your response should be about a paragraph, 4 to 6 sentences. In order to receive credit for this discussion board, and any discussion boards really in the future, you'll need to respond to one other classmate. So go ahead and click on this reply. If you click on this one here, right underneath my post, it will actually reply to my post. So you want to go ahead and, unless you want to reply to my post, then you click on this. But if you're just simply posting your introduction, you want to go ahead and click on reply. Okay, so that is the home button. This is week 1. And then let's see here. After you're done with the discussion board, go ahead and read. Basically, it's pages 1 through 24 for the first week. Is talking about rhetorical writing, rhetorical situations. When we write, we take into consideration our audience, who it is that we are speaking to, the time era. All those things play in a factor in our writing. And this is a wonderful introduction. I want you to go ahead and read this and then click on the written response. This is a short response that is found on page 24. For this written response, answer the reflect section on page 24. It is asking you to write a list. It is asking you to write a list of things that you have done throughout the week, like what writings you have completed, whether they're text messages or more formal types of writing. I've just limited to not over 5 items, and then choose 3 examples to analyze. Further instructions are on page 24. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. Let's go ahead and go to the syllabus. That is a very, very important document for this class. You just simply click on the PDF, and it is right here. I already have it up. All right. So here's the syllabus. My office is in the CFO building, number 128. I'm really not going to be in my office that much this summer, but I will be available by appointment. Our class begins June the 3rd, will end on August the 9th. This is my email address, kallison2@twu.edu. I'm not going to read over all this, but these are the student learning outcomes, state core objectives, and of course, right next to it are these student learning outcomes. This is what we are, our goal is for you all. And here, everyone's an author. This is the textbook that you will need for this class. We will be using the textbook in this class. For the first year composition essay reader, I will go over that a little bit more next week. For right now, you do not need this. But definitely everyone's an author textbook. You will need that. And other items that you will need, of course, a flash drive, a safe place to keep all your papers, information, any notes, Pioneer Portal, of course, and then Canvas. Here are your assignments. Your first assignment will be a narrative. Narratives, I love narratives. Those are, in my opinion, icebreaker assignments. You're going to be telling us a story with a focused purpose. That is 15% of your grade. The next paper is a reporting information paper. Weighs a little bit more. It's 20% of your grade. Of course, I will go over all of these in much, much more detail a little bit later on, or of course when the time comes. Writing analytically, this carries a little bit more weight. I mean, we have 3 papers, so this one's going to carry the most, 25% of your grade. And then we have the multimodal project. This is something that you will upload into a discussion board, and this is related to the Latch event. Latch, by the way, those are acronyms that stand for liberal arts, technology, communication, and humanities. I view it as a counterpart to STEM. Let's see here. You will have two participation grades, one in the middle of the semester and one in the end. You will have minor assignments, discussion boards, written responses, peer reviews, and quizzes. And here's a little bit more of the breakdown, and here's the grade scale. Intellectual property Every activity and or assignment in this class belongs to either me or your classmates. It's important to respect that and not publish any portion of this class on social media or any other format without written consent. I respond to emails just as quickly as I can. On weekdays, I answer emails within 24 hours. Professional etiquette. This is an online class, and of course, you'll be engaging in discussion with others. So be mindful and respectful of others' beliefs. One of the most important aspects in discourse is cordiality and respect. I expect everyone to be kind and be considerate of other viewpoints. We have a lot to learn from one another if we just listen. We have the Right site, which is an awesome place to go and get help for your with your writing, your assignments in any class, not just English. Academic dishonesty, plagiarism, basically just do not do it. We have Turnitin. Of course, we're able to see, whether your writing is your writing or not. So definitely want to be honest when it comes to that. Okay, so I'm just kind of skipping through here. You can read these in more detail later. The census date is June 18th, and the last day to withdraw is August the 2nd. Here is the schedule. I have broken this down to where I think that it's really easy for you to read. And of course, this is basically what is going to be on your modules on your homepage. Have the introductions for today, introduce the course, review of the syllabus, and review of Canvas and what is expected of you. You have a discussion board this week. You do the reading. I have for you on the syllabus. So definitely just really your most important thing is to look at the modules, because sometimes I might change a little bit from the syllabus to the module. And this is one thing here. I've just taken out the introduction. I just am having you all read pages 1 through 24. Written response, and it will be located under assignments, written response number 1. Okay, and then this is what we're going to be doing week 2, week 3, 4, all the way through the last week, which is week 10. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and go back here. I'm going to go back to the Home tab. I'm actually going to put this in student view, which is probably something I should have done from the very beginning. This is really, it looks similar to my view that I showed you, but this is what you will be looking at. This is your view completely. Let's see, assignments. Go over here to assignments. These are your assignments. This is listed undated assignments. That's participation 1 and 2. These are all your upcoming assignments. Your most important thing really is just to go to that home page, click on week 1, and then get started here. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. All your assignments will be listed here. All you have to do is just simply click on that. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to the semester, to the summer. We're going to learn a lot about writing, the introduction to writing. I will show you the databases. We're going to get into that. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to be able to. My goal is for you to take what you learn in your English classes and apply it to your future classes and, of course, your future career. Welcome to English 1013. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.